Hi, and welcome to Level Up Cartooning, where our goal is to take the mystery out of the drawing process by breaking it into easy-to-follow steps. Before we start, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button, as it helps this channel to grow. Oh, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of the lessons. So in honor of the new Snoopy Show debuting on Apple TV tomorrow, I thought we would try something a little different. We're going to draw Snoopy dancing to be more specific. And while we can't actually animate Snoopy, we can give him that energy, that feeling of moving and grooving by drawing a series of 4 poses together, which is what we're going to do. All you're going to need to follow along with me is pencil and paper. Super easy, right? So let's get started. We're going to draw Snoopy dancing step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched some of my other videos, then you know I use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. Snoopy is roughly 2 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is 2 of those. While Snoopy is never just standing in this series of drawings, it will help to know his head is roughly the same height as his body. All right, so let's start with that roadmap for Snoopy dancing. So there's our roadmap for our boogieing beagle, or Snoopy dancing. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the 3rd and final step, to draw as light as possible. So let's rough out Snoopy's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for Dancing Snoopy. Now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have the fun. We get to draw the final details of Snoopy dancing. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done the hard work figuring all that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't hammer that line, mindlessly retracing over the lines you've already drawn. Always look to tweak and improve until the very end. So let's draw in Dancing Snoopy's details. There you have it, Snoopy dancing. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Snoopy, dancing or not, you cannot expect to have drawn him perfect. But now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Snoopy dancing. With that, you can draw him again and again. And I promise each time you draw him, it will be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your drawing of Snoopy dancing. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you enjoyed this little dance lesson. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.